As a marketing, business development, and product management head for companies like Yahoo, Vodafone, Sony Ericsson, and Airtel, I had the privilege of working with some of the best engineers, marketing agencies, and experts across different functions. My role was clear: set expectations and have conversations to guide the process. Their expertise turned ideas into world class products and experiences, driving growth and delivering exceptional results. Hi, I'm Vinay Singh Mediratta. In my corporate career, I learned a vital truth: clear communication and meaningful conversations are the keys to achieving extraordinary outcomes. When I transitioned into entrepreneurship, I missed the synergy of working with such brilliant minds. But then something remarkable happened. AI tools and large language models came into the picture. Suddenly, I could replicate the same great results by applying my skills in communication and using these tools as my smart colleagues. AI transformed the way I worked. It simplified tasks, saved time, and unlocked new possibilities. The best part, it didn't require a tech background, just a willingness to learn and communicate clearly. That's when I realized I wanted to help others achieve the same. That's why I created the 21 Days AI Confidence Challenge, a simple step by step program designed to help aspiring entrepreneurs, experts, freelancers, and small business owners fall in love with these tools. Whether you are starting from scratch or scaling your business, this program can help you achieve more than you ever thought possible. Over 21 days, you will embark on a transformational journey. Week 1 will lay the foundation. We'll find your niche, craft your message, and create engaging social media content. In week 2, we'll dive deeper. We'll learn basic video creation, design lead magnets, and schedule your content effortlessly. In week 3, we'll build your digital presence. We'll set up Google My Business, organize your links with Linktree, and start building your community. At the end of this challenge, you will launch your business or start freelancing with confidence. Use AI tools to streamline your workflow. Build a powerful online presence through social media and Google My Business. Create attention grabbing content from text posts to videos and even music. You'll learn to use several AI tools. With these tools, you'll effortlessly create professional quality content that gets results. We have tailored this challenge to fit your needs. It comes in 2 editions. The basic edition includes live sessions, a digital certificate, and recordings for a month. And the Pro edition adds access to recordings for 1 year, monthly Q&A sessions, and a printed certificate delivered to your doorstep. For a limited time, you can join at an unbeatable introductory price by clicking the link in the bio and description. Don't wait, spaces are limited and the early bird offer ends soon. This is your opportunity to take control of your future. Join the 21 Days AI Confidence Challenge today by clicking the link in the bio and description. And let's unlock your potential together. Let me show you how you can complete the sign up process. When you click the link, you will come to a page which will look like this. It will have all the details, including the video that you're seeing over here. And it'll have the button to join the challenge. You can go through all the details. You will see the type of content that you will create during this 21 days challenge, which includes the sample of the text content, the image content, the video content, and the music also that you will learn to create using the AI tools. And you will have this button to join the challenge, further details, week by week schedule. And then when you press this button over here, you'll come to this part, which will have the details of both the editions which are there. You will see the regular price. You'll see the introductory price or the price that is applicable at that particular point in time. And if there is any special offer, early bird pricing that you are seeing right now over here, that is applicable, then you will actually see the early bird price also here. When you click on this link, for example, to get started, then you will come to a page like this, where you enter your phone number, you will get the OTP, and then you will get the option to make the payment using various payment methods, including credit card, UPI, and many other things. And once you complete the payment, you'll come to this page, which will look like this. And there is an option to join the WhatsApp group over here. When you click that link, you will basically get the option to join the WhatsApp group. This is the group where all the communication with respect to the date, time, and all the details of the challenge will be shared on this if you actually choose to join this challenge. Now, another thing which is there, just in case you are still not sure that whether this challenge is there for you or not, there is an option to register for the Q&A. Right, as part of the introductory session, I am actually going to have these live Q&As every day, till one day before the launch of the challenge, so that just in case you have any question, you can actually be part of this live Q&A, which will be conducted on Zoom, and then you can ask your questions and then choose to go ahead with availing the early bird or the introductory offer that is applicable at that point in time. So click the link in the bio and description to sign up now. Early bird pricing ends soon. Choose your package and start your digital transformation today. I look forward to see you inside the challenge.